Hello, dear students. I hope you all will be fine and shine. Today we will start our third lecture, PCC and Foundation, Plain Cement Concrete in Foundation. So, first of all, what is PCC? What is PCC? A mixture of cement, sand, and aggregate without reinforcement is called PCC. A mixture of cement, sand, aggregate without reinforcement is called PCC. Okay, so generally the grade of concrete for PCC is used with ratio of 1:4:8. Okay, generally grade of concrete for PCC is used with ratio of 1:4:8. So 1 is equal to cement bags, 2 is equal to 4 is equal to sand, and 8 is equal to aggregate. Okay, so a mixture of cement, sand, and aggregate without reinforcement is called PCC. What is reinforcement? Without steel. Okay, without steel, a mixture of cement, sand, and aggregate is called PCC. Okay, and the thickness of PCC is 10 centimeter or 100 mm or 0.10 meter or 3 inches to 4 inches. Okay, the thickness of PCC is 10 centimeter or 100 mm or 0.10 meter or 3 inches to 4 inches. Okay, and uses, why we use PCC? PCC is used to level the bed of foundation. To level the bed of foundation. PCC is used to level the bed of foundation. Okay, so we will take an example now and solve that. So we have formula PCC quantity is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by thickness. All these units will be same. If you take in meter, inches or feet, whatever, the units should be same. Means thickness of PCC should be same as the unit of length and breadth. Okay, so this is formula per PCC quantity. Okay, now we will solve an example. Let's take an example. Length is equal to, for example, 40 feet. B is equal to 30 feet, and thickness is equal to, let's take 4 inches. Okay, so we have an area or a room or a building, whatever you say, having length 40 feet, breadth 30 feet, and thickness of PCC is 4 inches. Okay, now we will find quantity of this room. Okay, for example, this is a room. Okay, we will find quantity of PCC. So now look at the unit of length feet, breadth unit is also feet, but the thickness of PCC is in inches. So first of all we will convert inches into feet. Okay, so 4 divided by 12 is 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Okay, so first of all we will convert inches into feet. 4 divided by 12, so 4 divided by 12.33 is equal to 0.33. Okay, and now we will find the quantity of cement, sand, and aggregate, etc. So let we have formula width volume is equal to, so formula is length into breadth into thickness. So volume will width volume will become 40 feet into 30 feet into 0.33 feet. Okay, now multiply these quantities. So multiply by 40 multiply by 30, so it becomes 400 cubic feet. feet. Unit should be cubic feet. As all the units are same, so unit should be cubic feet. Okay, and now this is our wet volume quantity. Now we will find dry quantity, dry volume. So for dry volume we have also formula, okay, which is wet volume multiplied by 1.54. Okay, so dry volume is equal to wet volume is 400 cubic feet multiplied by 1.54. So the answer will be multiplied by 1 point, sorry, multiplied by 1.54. So 616 cubic feet. So now what is 1.54? It's a constant value and we will solve this value in the upcoming lecture. Okay, we will do calculation of 1.54 factor in the upcoming lecture, or maybe at the end of this lecture. Okay, don't worry about that. So dry volume will become 616 cubic feet. Okay, now the next step is ratio. We have ratio is equal to 1 ratio 4 ratio 8. So we will sum this ratio. Sum of ratio is equal to 13. Sum of ratio is equal to 13. Let's solve 1 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, sum of ratio is equal to 13. Now we have to find cement quantity, sand quantity and aggregate quantity. So for cement quantity, volume of cement will become, we have formula, volume of cement is equal to ratio of cement multiply by dry volume and divide by sum of ratio, divide by sum of ratio. Okay, we have this formula, ratio of cement multiplied by dry volume divided by sum of ratio. So ratio of cement, is 1. Okay, from 148 ratio of cement is 1 multiplied by dry volume is 616. Okay, divide by sum of ratio is 13. Okay, so let's do this. 15 is equal to 47.38. So we will take 47. Okay. Cubic feet. So this is volume of cement is 47 cubic feet. Now we have to convert 47 cubic feet. We have to convert 47 cubic feet into bags of cement. Okay, so the next step is conversion. So for that we know that volume of one bag cement in cubic feet is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. Okay, and in meter, volume of one bag cement in cubic meter is equal to 0.035 cubic meter. Okay, so now we will divide 47 by 1.25 because our unit is cubic feet, so we will take 1.25, and we will do also solution of this 1.25 in the upcoming lecture. Okay, so now we will divide this volume 47 cubic feet by 1.25. So we will get cement bags is equal to 47 divided by 1.25 is equal to 25 equal to 37.9. So we will take 38 bags. Okay, and weight of one bag of cement in Pakistan is 50 kg. Okay, weight of one bag of cement in Pakistan is 50 kg. Okay, so we had find cement quantity in bags. Now we will find sand quantity. Okay, so for sand quantity we have formula is volume of sand is equal to ratio of sand multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. For sand, cement and aggregate we have the same formula, but we will change only the ratio. So volume of sand is equal to Ratio of same is 4. From 1:4:8 ratio, we will take 4 as the ratio of saint. So 4 multiplied by 616, as this was a dry quantity, and divide by sum of ratio is 13. Okay, so now do this. 616 multiplied by 4 divided by 13. 189 cubic feet is equal to 189.5 cubic feet. Okay, now we will find this volume of cement in sekla, mostly used in Pakistan. The unit is sekla. Okay, to convert this, to convert 189.5 cubic feet into sekla, we will divide by 100. Okay, as 1 sekla is equal to 100 cubic feet. To convert 189.5 cubic feet into sekla, we will divide by 100, as 1 sekla is equal to 100 cubic feet. So cent is equal to 189.5 divided by 100 is equal to 1.8 sekla. Okay, so we will take 2 sekla. Okay, this was the quantity of cent. Quantity of cent in sekla. Okay, now the third one is aggregate. Third one is aggregate quantity. So for aggregate we have also same volume, same formula. Volume of aggregate is equal to ratio of aggregate multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. Okay, so ratio of aggregate is 8 multiplied by dry quantity 16 and divided by sum of quantity 13. Okay, 8 is from 1:4:8 ratio. Okay, and this is the ratio of aggregate. So now do this. 8 multiplied by 16 and divided by 13. So 379 cubic feet is the quantity of aggregate. Okay, now we will convert convert into Saint-Clair. So for that we will do divide by 100. So 379 divided by 100 is equal to 3.79. 3.79 Saint-Clair. Okay, this is the quantity of aggregate. Okay, there is also a simple formula for aggregate. Just multiply the quantity of sand with 2 as ratio 4:8. So this is ratio means here sand is 4 and aggregate is 8, means aggregate is double of sand. So just multiply the quantity of sand with 2, we will get quantity of aggregate. We will take 4 sand. Okay, now we will do check. Okay, check. Now we check that our quantity is correct or not. So how we will check? Uh, we will take try quantity. Okay, is equal to cement. Okay, quantity plus sand quantity plus crush quantity or aggregate quantity. If the sum of cement quantity, sand quantity and aggregate quantity is equal to dry quantity, so our calculation is correct. Okay, so dry quantity was 16. Okay, and cement quantity was 47. Okay, and 189.5 was the quantity of sand, and plus 379 was the quantity of aggregate. So 379 plus 189.5 plus 47 is equal to 615. Okay, 615.57. So this value is mostly equal to 616. So our calculation is correct. Okay, so this was our third lecture about the quantity of PCC in foundation. Okay, I hope you all will understand. In the next lecture, we will find or do calculation of complete 1.54 factor, and then we will find RCC. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask within 2 hours. So take care. Bye bye.